Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're talking about helping others, the importance of paying it forward.
So this is something that Jessica and I both really believe in, and we believe that a lot of our subscribership believes the same way. And so, and we're very blessed to have that. But it can also be very important to do the same thing in business. Not everything's about money all the time. I mean, you definitely want to be able to provide for yourself, have an income, things like that. But sometimes it's very important to support noble causes with your profits from your company and things like that. Mm-hmm. And to do it in such a way that you're genuine about it, and you're just not doing it just so that you say, "Hey, look at me," but you actually really care about the thing that you're getting involved in.
Yeah, part of that is identifying for yourself what you value, mm-hmm. and when you know what you hold valuable to you, you can make steps towards getting involved in those types of things, mm-hmm. whether that's doing live demonstrations or helping a specific group of people or things of that nature.
Yeah. So, like, one of the things that I like to give back for is I like teaching. I like teaching a lot. I actually like teaching, younger kids and things like that. I love seeing that fire that gets ignited, and their eyes light up when they get something like that. There's a lot of them that, there's no one home there. It's not their thing, and I get it. But then there's other kids that, you can see that you really had an impact on them, and that, that they're going to go out and pursue their passions in life because they were impacted by something maybe you said, or just the pure fact that you took time out of your day just to talk to them.
Yeah, and we've had quite a few people that we've bumped into mm-hmm. that doing live demonstrations has really stood out to them in one way or another. Not all of them were kids, but some of them were adults too, and they got a lot from it as well.
Yeah, and you don't always have to, this doesn't always have to be applicable to this, just donations and stuff. A lot of times, you can find something that you really want to get behind and put your money and efforts towards, and maybe you can't have that value of time just given to them, but you can help support them in other ways, sponsor a soccer team, do things like that, and that all comes back eventually to help benefit your business as well. And and you can't ask for a better cycle than that, other than to continue to pay it forward and inspire others to do the same. So that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3. I hope you all enjoyed it.
Thanks for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.